apartment has just had the floors done. All new light fixtures. It's just been painted. Okay, so the front entryway. Top of the stairs, this first bedroom. Very large closet. And this goes out to a front deck that looks over on Boston Avenue. So this door goes out to the front deck. Here's the living room. Again, all new light fixtures, just been painted. All the floors just done. Off the living room in the front is another bedroom. This looks down upon Boston Ave. Hanging closet. Once again, a good size hanging closet. Going back out into the living room. And again, into the tile part of the apartment. Here's the bathroom. Brand new toilet. Tile floor has just been fixed. So side bedroom and the other side bedroom. We'll go in this one first. It has a small closet here, really just a shelf closet. And then it has a hanging closet here. All new blinds.